In this video, you will learn all about mindfulness jars, how to make them, how to use them, and really specific language to guide your child through using it to calm and create mindfulness. Thank you so much for spending your limited parenting time to be here. If you like what I have to share, please subscribe. Also hit the bell. By hitting the bell, you will be notified when I post new videos. I do post videos once a week, so always check back. It's these quick, simple tools that you can introduce into your life that the parents in my community really rely on to really build up their family. Hey, Abundant Parents, it's Leah. I have Christina here with Joy Fuel Life, and we just finished recording a workshop all about bringing positive self-talk and meditation in to your children's lives and also your life. She's going to talk to us a little bit about using a mindfulness jar, about how to make it and how to use it. So Christina, thank you so much for sharing with us.
Yeah, of course. So this is a mindful jar, and what you need is really just a jar. It can be any size. I just use this one. Fill it up with water to the top, and then use a spoonful of glitter glue and just some additional dry glitter, whatever color. I chose pink because it's my favorite. And with this jar, what is it about? It's teaching children about how strong emotions, how they can take a hold of yourself and take over your mind, but also how to find peace with when you have those strong emotions and feelings. So pretty much what you do, and I'm gonna read that to you, what you can say to your kids too while you're doing it. But it's pretty much the first time you just shake it and you see that it's all swirling around. And what you can say is that, so imagine that the glitter is like your thoughts when you're stressed, mad, or upset, and see how they roll around and really make it hard to see clearly. And that's why it's so easy to make silly decisions when you're upset, because you're not thinking clearly. And don't worry, this is normal and it happens to all of us. And I like that it's, giving them reassurance that it's totally okay. We're all going through it. And then, you're seeing it when it settles down, you hold it like this. You can tell them, now watch what happens when you're still for a couple of moments. Keep watching. See how the glitter starts to settle and the water clears. Your mind works the same way. When you're calm for a little while, your thoughts start to settle and you start to see things much clearer. And I like that exercise, and I also tried that with my daughter. And it also works for adults. It's pretty cool. But it just gives them an idea about how, their emotions can really take over and cloud their thoughts, and that when they take over, they cannot make decisions, or they shouldn't make decisions or act on certain things, but just give them some time to calm down, to be mindful of what's going on, and then work through whatever they work through, or what the situation is.
And I know a lot of adults who should also be practicing this.
Yeah, yes.
Well, we will be sure to post the recipe for the mindfulness jar in the comments of this video. We'll also add the text that you read so that parents can read that along after they make their mindfulness jar with their kid. You can catch Christina on the Abundant Parent Community Workshops. We did an hour-long workshop this morning all about positive self-talk, meditation, and mindfulness. You can also catch her this month in the Abundant Parent Community on Facebook. There she'll be answering all of your questions about meditation, getting your kids involved with meditation and positive self-talk. You can also find her at joyfuellife.com, and you can sign up for the workshops at theabundantparent.com. Christina, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
You can join the Abundant Parent Community on Facebook. Just look up the Abundant Community, request to join, and I will add you.